it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Well, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time celebrating with your family and with your friends. I have been so fortunate to be able to celebrate an amazing 40th birthday and Christmas. And so today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some things that I got for my 40th birthday and some items that I got for Christmas. And because my 40th birthday and Christmas are so close together, a lot of times the gifts actually overlap because they're 3 days apart. And so I'm gonna get started with sharing. This is gonna be a super long haul. So you guys grab some hot cocoa, grab your coffee because we have a lot of stuff to open. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. Okay, you guys, so the first thing that we did for my birthday was that my husband took me to the Biltmore, and it was absolutely gorgeous. I had to choose between reveling in the moment and relishing in the moment or recording the moment. So I really did try to record the moment, but it was so much fun that I did not get a whole lot of footage, but that I have, I will share with you. It was absolutely amazing. The actual home was just so aesthetically pleasing. If you're into tablescaping and all things bougie, I mean, this is the place to go. The food was great, the lights were great, the decor was amazing, everything was amazing. The hotel was amazing. I just couldn't ask for a more, it was almost like I lived in a Hallmark Christmas movie, really. And that was kind of the theme for my birthday because I love Hallmark movies at Christmas. And so my husband recreated that with the trip to the Biltmore. And then we went to Dallas and we stayed there in downtown Dallas, Grapevine, Texas. They kind of decorated like a Hallmark movie, so it was so beautiful. He arranged for me to get my makeup professionally done. He hired a professional photographer. It was the bomb. So I will link the reel down to my official photo shoot, which was a surprise to me. I will link that down below. We also went to the Potter's house with Bishop T.D. Jakes, and my husband ended up on TV, so that was amazing as well. And so while I was in Asheville, we went shopping, and there was a dealer's outlet. And if I show you guys this bag, you guys gotta promise not to judge me. Okay, whoa, this is how big the bag is. I walked into the dealer's outlet, and all this stuff was like, it was $6. And everything was like, you know, name brand, cute little off-the-shoulder dress. It was $6. I'm just gonna show you guys a few things, not everything. I'm gonna probably do a separate haul and try on, because some of you guys like to see me model things. So this is just some of the stuff I got for $6. I shopped till I dropped. I really did. I shopped so much it was a shame before the Lord. And I'm not ashamed to admit it. So I won't go through that whole entire big bag right now. But just know that your girl shopped for her birthday. Also, before I left, my friend Michelle, she's also my prayer partner, she came by and gave me this big basket full of all my favorite things. So this is gonna be, you know how Oprah does, like Oprah's favorite things? Well, this is gonna be Melanie's favorite thing. So she really knows your girl. So the first thing she got me was a prayer journal for women. And you guys know how much I love to pray. I thought that was really nice. It's where you can just kind of journal. I just love this. I cannot wait to use it in 2020. The next thing she got me was a Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume, and I needed some new perfume. For those of you guys who don't know me, I don't have like this whole collection of perfume. I know that may seem really strange to some of you, but I don't. I like to buy perfumes by the season, and I just use it all that season, and then that's that. Like, I'm done. I'm done using it. I use it till it's all gone. The other thing that she bought me was this super bubble gum, and it has to be super bubble. It cannot be that other mess, double trouble, it has to be super. It comes in a green. You see, half of it is gone because both Robert and I love this. So it has to come in the green. and the red and the purple. If it does not come in these, it's not the right one. Okay? And anyone that knows me knows that this is the right kind of bubble gum. I have a bubble gum addiction. I cannot just chew one piece of gum. I have to chew a bunch of them. And it's a shame, I know, but I like it. The next thing that she got me was Garrett's popcorn. And it's the Chicago mix. It has to be more caramel than cheese, but I like both of them. And she got me the fancy canned honey. I'm so thankful for that. Another thing that she purchased for me was this little notepad and pen, and then the little cup that says Hello Gorgeous. So I thought that was really cute. And the last thing she got was, well, like her makeshift gift card to the places I like to eat, because I don't know if they even have gift cards. And that everybody that knows me know I love this right here, okay? Even when I become a bazillionaire, I will still eat here, Waffle House. And then Rhoda Peas, which is a local soul food restaurant. And for those of you guys who came to Lux Academy, this is a soul food restaurant we went to go eat lunch at one day. So she got me $20 to go eat there, which you guys know, either one of these restaurants, that's 2 meals. So that's good. And if I do the $5 deal at the Waffle House, I can eat about 3 to 4 times off that, okay? So I love all of those things. Let's see here. Somebody else got me a birthday card. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, Mama Sharon that goes to church with me gave me a beautiful card. And anybody that knows me knows I love words. Like, I love words. The gift of words is amazing. She got me an Amazon gift card. And, okay, Michelle also got me a beautiful card. Again, filled with words. I love words. Positive words. I'm telling you, words are one of the most precious gifts that you can ever give a person, when you speak words over them. I got a lot of more cards over here. Some of them are from Christmas. This card is from my dad because he knew we would be traveling, so he mailed my birthday card. And I love getting birthday cards for like my dad and my mom, because after my mom passed away, I often go back and read the cards each year. So this is my dad. It says, wishing you a very happy birthday, and he included some cash, and we all love a little cash. All right. And then the next thing that the hubby got me, and this may not be big to you guys, but it's big to me, is debt freedom. He paid off my credit card bill. So that's a done deal. Don't be trying to, let me put that up, because y'all internet folks can zoom in and screenshot, and I'll be looking at my credit report, and it's Credit Karma, and then it says Melody, whatever, you know, things that I didn't buy. Okay, the next thing I got is from Totally Dazzled. They actually sent this a while back, but I just now getting a chance to share it with you guys. And it is a mug that says Totally Dazzled. Y'all know I love Totally Dazzled. I use them for all of my bling, like when I'm doing backdrops, when I'm doing tablescaping, on my napkin ring. I just love them. So they sent me a card, again, with beautiful words on the card. Beautiful words, okay? And some gorgeous pearl napkin rings. So you will probably be seeing this, because I have a diamond and pearl themed event coming up, and they didn't even know this. So the event that I have coming up is a diamond and pearl theme, and it's gold and pearls, and I will be including these in that. Really pretty napkin rings. See those? Gorgeous. So I cannot wait to use those. Something else in here. Oh, and they got me a gift card. to Michael's. How sweet. Thank you so much, Natalie. And if you guys are interested in some bling, especially this beautiful pearl. I love a diamond and pearl event. It'd be great for a women's event at church, or if you're decorating your home. I will leave that link down below. Now this one was another surprise. I love getting surprise gifts in the mail. And this is from Rebecca and the owner of Posh Party Supplies. So they sent me some gold, black and gold plates, and just to say Happy New Year. So I just thought that was really cute, especially if you're entertaining. It's the Harlow Gray set, especially if you're entertaining for the New Year holiday, and they know how much I love black and gold. Okay, so there is one more set of gifts that I need to open, so give me a second and I will go and retrieve it. Okay, you guys, so the final gift that I have to open is actually a gift from Lanita and Trevor. Let me see. And they told me to be careful. So I'm gonna, ooh, now they know. So they got me these bling glasses, more of the bling glasses. I love these because I can use them for weddings and things like that. They got me a Hobby Lobby gift card. Oh yes, honey. I love some Hobby Lobby. And this will be used on the after Christmas sale. And I got 4 of these glasses. So these are great, especially for, like I said, weddings and things like that. Let me see what else they got in here. Oh, Lord, they showing out. They got me some blush earrings. I mean, some cute earrings. Come on through with the cute earrings. And some Biscoff cookies, because I like the cookies.
Let me get them.
Huh?
Let me get them.
Baby, I'm recording a video.
What you doing?
Here.
What video did you record?
What I got for my birthday and Christmas. I already talked about what you did.
What you say?
I told them you took me to the Biltmore. I told them that you arranged a
surprise shoot.
A style photo shoot.
She'll show out now.
And makeup. And you paid off the credit card bill.
She'll show out.
And I went on a shopping spree.
Alright, now let's go eat.
Okay. Alright, you guys. So the last thing I got was huge. My mother-in-law bought us a new accent table for the guest bedroom. And it's gorgeous. I'll show you that in a minute. I'll clip that in, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you guys so much for all of the wonderful birthday wishes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, and happy everything to all of you. You've been so amazing. This year has surpassed my understanding. Like, this has been an amazing year. So thank you guys so much for all of your continuous and unwavering support. And until next time, it's Melanie. Baby! Oh God. And until next time, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!